I've made a small mistake in my last video, and that is sometimes if I slide to the other side, we have the AI attacking to the wrong direction. That's also a bug right there with the navigation, but I'll fix that later. I'm going to go into the AI progress, and I'll create a new function. I'll call it target is on right side. Basically, we'll be looking at the target's position. Target position minus the AI position. And if the z value of the vector we get, if that is less than 0, return true, otherwise return false. So depending on the relative position of the target compared to the AI, this vector is either going to the right side or to the left side. I'm going to press Ctrl T, go into AI trigger attack, and for the forward ground attack, instead of using this function, instead of using it, I'm going to use target is on right side. If the target is on the right, move right is true. In the other case, move left is true. Save everything, go back to Unity and play. Looks like we got the directions mixed up. If this is bigger than 0. I'll play again. Okay, so we have the AI attacking in the right direction. Thanks for watching.